Right guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've got a Record Breakers pack opening. Was supposed to do this last night, but of course EA servers broke. They broke for something mad. It was like, I know it was over like 6 hours or something, but we've got 20 packs, some good, some not great, some tradable, some untradable, mostly tradable to be fair. So let's just get straight into it. Let's get the gold packs out of the way. Don't care about those. As always, streaming this over on Twitch, twitch.tv/Joshua_Gibson8. And that's why we're getting the gold packs out of the way. That is exactly why. So don't need that Moscow kit. We'll keep everything else. We just want one rule breaker. I might have said record breaker at the start. I meant rule breaker. Of course, nothing. Wait, I think that was something and I've skipped it. No, it was nothing. I still can't tell if it's a walkout or not though, or boards or anything. So, what do we go for? Let's go for the rare mixed players pack now, boys. Hook us up, EA. Don't hook us down. I can see something. It's going to be French. Left back, Everton. It's going to be Digne. Not bad. Not a bad start. We've got boards. From one of the early packs. Hopefully some walkouts and hopefully... Yeah, that's nice. We're going to keeping everything this year, lads. Back in the day I just sold everything, or quick sold everything. There's a small rare gold players pack we're gonna get out of the way. Absolutely no FIFA points spent, lads. You don't need to. Do your SBCs and you'll be fine. That's gonna be nothing. Right wing back, possibly a Kenny Lala. No, Fernandez. Oh, we do get Romero UCL card. Always handy. Was that last semester tradable? No, it wasn't. Have any games on him? No, not even. So, what do we get rid of next? Prime mixed players pack. Let's get that one out of the way, boys. I think we've got something. No? It's Marcus Alonso. I'm trying to read this by the end of the tunnel. I'm trying to look to see if there's a card there. Send them all to the clubs. This guy sell. Nah, not enough for me. So, rare Electrum players. We've got a few of these Electrums. Let's get the 2 players pack out of the way. These can be quite OP on their day, you know. It's not going to be OP today, though. Unfortunately. Martinez. Come on. Rare Electrum players. Get rid of the all the Electrum packs now, boys. That's something. That's definitely something. It's Dutch. Centre mids. United. It's gonna be Donny van de Beek. Was hoping for a Genie Wijnaldum there, not gonna lie. But we do get Van de Beek. It's boards, you know. That's 2 boards. No, we get him Teddy in the same pack. Not bad. Not bad. That's a bit. So 3 83s. Cannot complain. Balde with his pace. Yeah, bro, I swear. 82s and stuff, they go for nothing these days. So, premium Electrum players pack. We haven't got any walkouts, and we have not got any rule breakers. That's a UCL. I can see it from a mile away. Spain, left back, Sevilla. It's gonna be Escudero. Could there still be something behind this? No, there's not. Okay. There's nothing. 12 packs left, so we've opened 8. We've got 2 boards. Electrum Players pack. Come on, just give us one rule breaker. I don't wait. No, I don't think that's not anything. Trying to figure it out like. Skiglio, great. Is that Lost Nakajima? Yeah. It's tradable. Sweet. Love it when the camera goes in the middle of a pack opening. So that's rare megas, which we're gonna leave. So we're kind of gonna go in from the left now. So premium gold players. We should start sticking some superstitions in. Let's do like friggin' nose packs and spinny packs and all sorts. That's nothing. It's Benitez. Yeah, we definitely need to do something here, lads. We're not getting anything at all. Alright, next pack is a nose pack. So, let's go. Nose pack, let's go. You love to see it. This better be... It is something. Portugal. Left mid. Guerrero, I swear I already have him. What's that, our 3rd boards? I'm not counting that UCL boards, like. Oh, this one's tradable. Perfect. Love to see that. We got premium gold players pack. 8 packs to go after this one. We have rattled through these, boys, and not got a whole lot. That's boards again, at least. It's Mexican, right wing's gonna be Carlos Vela. Boards again. EA. One rule breaker, come on. Oh, we get the link to Martinez. Very nice. Like that, EA. Appreciate that. Prime Gold Players pack, and then yeah, hopefully these packs start to produce. Prime Gold Players pack, come on. Hook us up, EA. The tunes are on. You won't hear it on YouTube. Copyright. That is nothing. Arias. We're getting all UCL card. I mean, these are going for dirt cheap now. Like when that SBC came out the other day, these were mad cash. Right, rare gold. Spinny chair pack, boys. Let's go. Spinny chair pack. Not gonna lie, I got stuck on my bed. That's what a spinny chair pack gets you, lads. You get Campania. DJ Nepo. We get an anchor. Quite nice. And there's like surely that Barcelona kit sells for a bit of dosh. Yeah, for a wee bit. Rare gold. Back to regular packs. Nothing's working out for us here, boys. That's not even boards. Oh my word. Pepe. Not bad. A Hunter and a Catalyst. Love to see that. Watford Tifo. Definitely don't want. Unai Simon. L. Right. The rare players packs. Come on. This is the one. I can feel it. These are the ones. No, they're not. They're definitely not. I think that was a Fabian we got there. That was. It's quite sad, to be honest. Final rare players pack. Please, EA. There's at least boards. Italian. Centre mid. It's a walkout, it's Verratti. At least we have a walkout. We got ourselves one walkout now, so what's that? Is that 4 boards? 3 or 4 boards and one walkout. And a wee inform in there. Love to see it. Verratti, of course. Dirt cheap. Ansu Fati. Don't mind if I do. These are untradeable anyway. L. Right. 3 packs left. The mega pack. EA. Don't shaft us like this, please. Don't do us that dirty. That we open 20 packs and get absolutely nothing. That is, like, that's brutal out of a mega pack. Asensio. Actually, to be fair, sometimes those goal songs sell. Let's just stick it up, see what we get for it. Surely that Germany badge is selling. That's not even. When I kiss the devil, rare mega pack. Some of that luxury, like some of that fantasy stuff's actually mad this year. Like you'll pay 5k for team colours like. At least forwards. French. DDM. Chelsea, we get Kante. I'll take that. I'll take that all day long. N'Golo Kante. Yeah, I'll take that here. He's going into the side. We can replace him DD. We'll have Kante and Fabinho at CDM. Thank you very much. Signal Iduna Park, surely. Doesn't even sell. I think that's probably one of the cheap ones. Stick it up, see what we get. Porto, don't care. Torino, don't care. Don't care about this guy, don't care about Perez. Boys. Boys, boys, boys. 13 straight minutes of opening packs. Rare mega pack. Come on here. Something. It's the last pack. It's not a rule breaker. Dutch, left mid, Tottenham. It's Bergwijn. Bergwijn. No. That's an L, boys. That's an L. Should that Brazil kit selling? We opened 20 packs. I mean, we got Kante as our best player, which, you know, was a fantastic pull, but not even record breakers or rule breakers even. So that was about 4 boards and 2 walkouts, something like that, from 20 packs. That's criminal, yeah. That is criminal. Lads, that was team 1. I might get some packs together for team 2. It definitely won't be 20. Like, it'll not be as many, I promise. But yeah, as I said, we stream this over on Twitch live, twitch.tv/Joshua_Gibson8. I'm now going to do some SBCs, then we're going to play some Foot Champs games for the rest of the stream. So if you want to be a part of that, come over, drop a follow, and be there next time we're streaming, boys. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.